Welcome back to our series on building an end-to-end ML pipeline. I'm James Coffey, and this is the fourth video in our series. Today, we'll focus on setting up an Amazon EMR Serverless runtime role for our pipeline. Amazon EMR Serverless is a fantastic service that simplifies running big data frameworks by managing server provisioning and scaling automatically. This makes it ideal for processing our pipeline's data efficiently. We'll start by creating trust and access policies. These policies will specifically allow the EMR serverless cluster to interact with our S3 buckets, which store the raw and process data needed for our pipeline. Next, we'll create the runtime role that EMR Serverless will use and attach our policies. This role is crucial as it grants the service permissions to access AWS resources on our behalf. Let's walk through the process of creating these roles and policies now.
Back in the AWS console, go to the search bar and type in IAM and navigate to Identity and Access Management. On the left-hand menu, click on Policies under Access Management. Click on Create Policy. Select the JSON tab to start with a blank policy template. Now let's go to our terminal. Open the EMR Access Policy JSON file found in your cloned repo under Airflow IAM. Now let's fill out the resource information with the name of the S3 buckets we created. Now let's copy this JSON into our policy editor. And click Next. Enter a meaningful name for this policy. For example, EMR Serverless S3 Access Policy. Optionally, you can provide a description for the policy. Click Create Policy. We can use the search bar to verify our policy now exists. On the left-hand side, click on Roles and click Create Role. Select a Custom Trust Policy. Open the EMR Serverless Trust Policy JSON from your Airflow IAM directory. Copy the content of the trust policy and paste it into the policy editor. Click Next. Search for the policy you created earlier, in this case the EMR Serverless S3 Access Policy. Select the checkbox next to the policy to attach it to the role. Click Next. Here we'll enter a meaningful name for the role, EMR Serverless S3 Runtime Role. Now let's enter a description. This is a role with policies for using EMR Serverless with an Airflow pipeline. Now scroll to the bottom and click Create Role.
That's all for this video. We successfully set up an Amazon EMR Serverless runtime role and configured the necessary IAM policies so that our service can interact properly with our S3 buckets. Join me in the next video where we will set up our Amazon IAM activities by modifying the MWAA execution role. This step is essential for ensuring our Airflow environment can also securely access and manage our AWS resources. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll see you in the next video.